Have you always wanted to enroll into any credit repair service but wonder how long the process would take? In this episode, you're going to find out how fast or how long it's going to take to improve your credit scores and get negative items removed from your credit report. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our services. So many people reach out to credit repair companies and ask, how fast can you fix my credit? And to be honest with you, you be honest with these people, 9 times out of 10, they're going to get mad when you tell them the true answer. So out of all of the industries I have worked in, I have never in my life experienced people who, not purposely, but they know that they damaged their own credit scores and they get mad at the person who's trying to help them. They get mad that this person can't help them in their time frame or can't help them at all when they're the ones who did it to themselves. So some of the people that reach out, all I can do is laugh at some of their responses. Most of it is just due to a lot of people don't quite understand how the credit repair process works. The other half are the ones who are easily the ones who are going to get scammed by some companies that are stating they can fix your credit in 24 hours or something silly like that. So I get so many people who call and the very first thing they want to know, how fast can you fix my credit, when they know they just damaged their credit scores for 2 years long, but they want it fixed in 1 week, which is insane. For example, I had a young lady, she called, I guess maybe 2 or 3 days ago. And the very first thing she said, the second I said hello, is she said it very aggressively, more like, hey, I don't want to talk. I don't want to answer any questions. I just want to know, how fast can you fix my credit? First of all, she just called. I don't know her situation. I never seen her credit scores. I don't even know what's on her credit report. It's kind of insane that people just automatically assume you know what's reporting to their credit report. Secondly, there's really no true answer how fast you can fix someone's credit scores, because honestly, my focus isn't on their credit scores. My focus is on the negative accounts which are affecting their credit scores. For example, I can work on deleting all of the negative items off of this young lady's credit report all day long, but if she's steady missing payments, she's not paying off her credit cards, she's running her credit at every single dealership in town and adding 50 hard inquiries every single weekend, well, me deleting accounts isn't going to increase her credit score if she's missing more payments and doing all of this crazy stuff, not paying off her credit card debt and stuff like that. So when somebody asks me, how fast can I fix their credit? I ask them back, well, how fast are you willing to do the right thing to increase your credit scores or to fix your credit or anything like that? Because it's kind of a two people job of me. You're hiring a credit repair company to work on the negative accounts, but you're also working on making sure you're paying your bills on time, you're not applying for new stuff or adding unnecessary hard inquiries, my bad, and you're not keeping balances on your credit card, which are weighing down your credit score. So there's a lot of crazy people in the world. So eventually I did get the young lady to tell me that she did have a active repo account on her credit report and about 5 to 6 collection accounts. This happens all the time from people who ask, how fast can I fix their credit? They have so many negative accounts on their credit report. They took years messing up their credit and they're expecting a company or somebody out there in the world to fix their credit in 1 month or 1 week. Or I've even heard people offer to pay $1,000 to fix their credit in 3 days, which is, I don't even know where this information is coming from, but it happens all the time from people who ask how fast can we fix their scores. They have so many negative accounts on their credit report. So I instantly just assumed she took forever to damage her scores, or she just ignored paying these banks back, but she wants somebody to help her just make all of this stuff disappear. It doesn't work like that. So, like I said, my job is to focus on the accounts. I don't really focus on anyone's scores because that's out of my control. I can't control, what you do with your personal life. My job, if you hire Sturgis Credit Repair, is to work on the negative accounts only. So, after she explained that, I kind of just slowed her down and I said, one, the bureaus only update once a month. That's because you pay your bills once a month. So when you pay a car note, a house note, a credit card, anything like that, all of that information is reported once a month. So even if I had some magic and I can fix your credit overnight, none of that information is going to be updated until next month. Secondly, the credit bureaus investigate into the disputed accounts for 30 days. They allow the creditor to respond within 30 days. If the creditor do not respond to the investigation in 30 days, it gets deleted. So they have to wait that full 30 days for that creditor to dispute that information. So that goes back to how fast can we fix your credit? No, we cannot fix your credit in 24 hours, 72 hours, 100 hours, or anything like that, because they have to investigate for 30 days. Now, outside of that investigation, credit repair is a month-to-month process. I am not expecting everything to fall off of your credit in one single month. It doesn't work like that. It didn't work like that when I was disputing things on my own credit report, such as hard inquiries or incorrect information or anything like that. It's not going to happen in the very first month unless they just don't respond. You hopefully you get lucky and that's your case, but 9 times out of 10, they're going to verify the disputed account some type of way on your credit report. But like I said, credit repair is a month by month process. Outside of that, since the credit bureaus have to dispute or investigate into the disputes every 30 days, and then they only update your report once a month, credit monitoring services only update once a month. So we use a third-party partner company to monitor your credit scores and check your credit reports through Credit Hero Score. And they only update their reports once a month, because if they update multiple times per month, you're going to get the same credit report that you got last week. Nothing's going to change. So now that you understand that credit monitoring services only update once a month, or update your 3 bureau reports once a month, it's usually useless for us to update you more than once a month, because you're going to get the same data you got the previous day or the previous week. So that's all of the information about how the credit repair process works. If you want to go more into detail what we're actually doing every month, then go check out our previous episodes that I did on free credit repair versus hiring a credit repair service. And when I say free, I'm not meaning like really free, because nothing in this world for free. I'm meaning like you going online, clicking some type of dispute button, or mailing in these little templates you can find on Google that doesn't do anything. You're still paying money to mail the stuff or whatever the case may be, and you're still using your time to do that stuff. But all of those templates and online buttons and all of that crap just states the account doesn't belong to you. They verify it and nothing happens. That's what I meant on free credit repair versus paying an actual credit repair service, to go more into the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, to use these laws that protect us as consumers to get this information removed. So as I said before in this episode, credit repair is a month-to-month process. On average, most people may use 4 to 6 months of the service to kind of be in a different area from where they were when they first originally started with the service. So for example, if they have 10 negative items, hopefully 4 to 6 months into the service, they may be down to 5 negative items left, or 3 negative items left, and their scores have increased, and they can start back applying for stuff, and they only may need a little bit of help left. So don't ever contact any credit repair service, regardless if it's us or if it's anyone else out there. Don't damage your credit score for months or years and then go fuss at somebody because they can't fix your credit in 1 month because it's out of their control or out of my control. But to finish up with that young lady's situation, once I explained all of that stuff to her over a 5 or 6 minute phone call, she didn't like the answer, of course, and she told me she was going to go find someone else to fix her credit in less time than I would fix her credit, which is insane because I'm only doing the stuff on her behalf and using the laws in the Fair Credit Reporting Act to hopefully get the information removed from her credit report. So I'm only doing what somebody else can do. Someone can't tell the credit bureaus how fast to delete something off of your credit report. But those are the type of people that you can explain this stuff to them all day long. They're steady going to go back online to some fake scam that's online saying they can fix your credit in 24 hours or they can make you go from a 200 credit score to a 1,000 credit score in 1 day, just overnight. So you can't tell those people anything. They're hard-headed. They're just going to continue to just believe what they want to believe, and you just simply cannot help those people. So if you have any questions regarding the credit repair process or how we can help you in your particular situation, definitely reach out to us at Sturgis Credit Repair. And as always, thank you for watching or listening to this episode. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.